Uratete, may we bask in your glory at its peak. You are the magnificent goddess who dances on the grand stage. This is the story of the power of your sacred femininity, trailing behind you in red. The story of your dance is told by the gestures of your hands, and it's the dance of love that comes from deep within you, from the great roots of your ancestors. Peace surrounds you as the elegance of your dance ignites you.
Hana te atua vaine o ura tata itie hopete au ona mau ura mai ini a tahua nui tahua nui na uti urae ya hana te atua vane o ura tata itie hopete au ona mau ura mai a tahua nui tahua nui o te ura te aamu o toku apa mai na